Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking your chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. Okay, what do you mean by Heron's formula? अगर हम लोग किसी एरिया को फाइंड कर रहे हैं, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल को फाइंड कर रहे हैं, अगर बेस दिया हुआ है, हाइट दिया हुआ है, तो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू फाइंड द एरिया. एरिया विल बी हाफ base into height. Okay, now if it is an equilateral triangle, in that case you do not need height also. You can directly go for root 3 upon 4 side square, that and that you have to just put the value of your side. Okay, but now in case if I give you a triangle, you need it's not an equilateral triangle, you do not have height of it, then what you will do in that case, you will use a new formula, that is area is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. now you must be thinking कि इसमें s क्या है, a क्या है, b क्या है, c क्या है. a b c आपके तीन साइड्स हैं और s है आपका सेमी पेरीमीटर. व्हाट इज s? सेमी पेरीमीटर. और सेमी पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? आप नॉर्मल ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर तो जानते हैं. yes, perimeter is what? it is addition of all the three sides of a triangle. yes, what will be semi perimeter? Semi perimeter उसका आधा. you have to divide that by half. are you ready? let's take with one problem. it says a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. So you have a traffic signal board, we have it's an equilateral triangle and its side is A. It is given like that. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. My dear kids, equilateral triangle का formula actually हम लोगों को पता है, but here it is said that you have to use Heron's formula and the perimeter is given as 180 centimeter. अब अगर इसको मैं नाम लगा रही हूँ ABC, can I say triangle ABC perimeter is 3A because A अगर एक side है तो perimeter is 3A, but here it is given that perimeter is 180. So can I say 3A is equal to 180? In that case, I will get value of each side as 60. So once I got each side as 60, now the Heron's formula requires semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter will be perimeter ka half. So I'll write something like this, perimeter upon 2. Perimeter was given as 180 and divide by 2, so that will be 90. So you got semi-perimeter as 90. Okay, so now what is my formula? My formula for area is under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. My semi perimeter is 90, so I'll write 90 minus first side 60, 90 minus second side again 60, and 90 minus third side again 60. So you will get 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Am I clear with this? Yes, under root you got this. Okay, now what you will do is, you know very well there's a pairing of 30, so you can make it free. So inside will be 90 into 30. For 90, can I write 30 into 30? Oh sorry, 30 into 3, and this 30 I'll write it here. Now you can see again your pairing is there 30 ka, so you can make 130 free. So it will be 30 which was outside already and एक और 30 आपका free हो गया और अंदर आपका रहता है under root 3. So your final answer here I will write it. It is 900 root 3. Got the point clear? Let's take our next problem. And it goes something like this. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The side of the walls are 122, 22 and 120. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So let me zoom the screen and show you that there is a corner. If you can see here, this is the triangular side wall of a flyover. I'll mark it red so that you can make it out कि किस चीज़ की, oh black, okay, I'll mark it black so that you can make it out हम किस चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग को एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगानी है, सो इट विल बी इन अ ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म, तो उसकी हम लोग को एरिया लेनी पड़ेगी. हम जहाँ पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगा रहे हैं, दैट साइड्स आर गिवन ऑलरेडी, साइड्स आर 122, 22 एंड 120, और उस एडवर्टाइजमेंट जो बैनर हम लगा रहे हैं उसकी हम लोग को एरिया लेनी पड़ेगी. एंड देन वी विल सी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी हैव टू डू. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फाइंडिंग एरिया. So I'll go with my formula, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. I'll put up all my stuff here. For that first I will go for finding semi-perimeter. I'm sorry I did not got with semi-perimeter. First I have to always find semi-perimeter. So perimeter का आधा, so perimeter upon 2. What will be perimeter? It will be addition of all the three sides. So I'll go for 122, 22 and 120 का addition, और जो भी आएगा हम divide कर देंगे 2 के साथ. So we will get 264 upon 2. That will be 132 meters is your semi-perimeter. Now in your formula you have to put 132 and bracket 132 minus first side, that is 122. Another bracket 132 minus second side, that is 22. And another bracket 132 minus third side, that is 120. Okay, let's start with calculations now. Now under root 132 जो बाहर है वो तो रहेगा ही. 132 minus 122 will be 10. 132 minus 22 will be 110. And 132 minus 120 will be 12. Now my dear kids, let's see what we are getting. If you can see here, मैंने 132 के factors लगा दिए 12 and 11. 10 को वैसा ही रखा है. 110 को I made it 11 into 10 and 12 again I have kept it as it is. From there I will notice that 12 और 12 pairing बन रहा है, so I'll free that 12. 11 and 11 pairing बन रहा है तो I'll free that 11 also. And 10 and 10 pairing बन रहा है तो I'll free that 10 also. So हर एक नंबर आपका अंडर रूट में से बाहर आ गया. So your final answer is 1320 meter square. Got my point clear? Now my dear kids, it is said that the rent of advertisement is 5000 per meter square per year. एक साल मतलब 12 मंथ के लिए दे आर चार्जिंग 5000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. एंड नाउ वी हैव 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई विल गेट यू, वी हैव 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो वी डू नॉट नो द कॉस्टिंग ऑफ दिस. आई विल पुट इट एज एक्स एंड दे आर चार्जिंग 5000 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए, सॉरी पर मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए, पर मीटर स्क्वायर दे आर चार्जिंग रुपीज़ 5000. सो फॉर 1320 इट विल बी 1320 into 5000. Getting my point? They are charging for a year. It will be 6 lakh. I think it is 66 lakhs. Now this 66 lakhs, my dear kids, it is for the complete year. I'll erase this part. Now this 66 lakhs is for complete year, that is 12 months. But we want to hire that place for just, I guess, 3 months. Yes. So what will be the costing for 3 months? So we'll go for 66 lakh into 3 upon 12. So I'll get 16 lakhs 50,000. So that will be the costing for advertisement just for 3 months. Clear? Let's take our next problem, which says there's a slide in a park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." If the sides of the walls are 15, 11 and 6, find the area of painted in color. So you want to take the area of this part. You have all the three sides. You have 6 meters here, you have 15 meters here, and you have 11 meters here. Now as I said you have to use the formula, Heron's formula for finding area. That will be S minus A, that is first side, S minus B, that is second side, S minus C, that is third side. For that, first you have to find the perimeter and you have to divide by 2 so that you get the value of semi-perimeter. Once you get each and everything, you have to put it into the formula and get the value of area. Now next we have find the area of triangle, two sides of which are, so you have area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 and 10, and the perimeter, that is addition of all sides, is given as 42. So naturally, if I take the third side as x, the perimeter is perimeter is addition of all sides, so I am adding all sides, and perimeter is given as 42, x plus 18 plus 10. From there I'll get the value of x, and x will be 14. Am I correct with this? Once you got the value of x, you got the third side also, you have to find the area. Area will go with the same formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter. For that, first you have to find the perimeter, which is already given in your problem 42, and you have to divide by 2. So you will get 21 as the perimeter. So you will have something like this: 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, and 21 minus 14. Once you solve this, you will get something like this: 21 minus 18 is 3, 21 minus 10 is 11, and 21 minus 14 is 7. These are all under root. Clear? So I will now put up the factors. Can I write 21 as 7 and 3? And the rest others I'll keep it as it is. You will notice that 7 can be taken out because it has a pair. 3 can be taken out because it has a pair, but 11 we cannot. So our answer is 21 under root 11. Let's take our next problem. Sides of a triangle are in ratio 12, 17, 25, and the perimeter is 540. You have to find its area. Now the ratio is given as 12, 17, 25, and naturally we take x with them to make them as a number. So it will be 12x, 17x, and 25x. Yes, my dear kids, and these are the sides, and the addition of all sides, that is perimeter, it is given as 540. From there you all will get the value of x, that is 10. Am I correct with this? Once you got the value of x as 10, you have to put in 12x. That will be 12 into 10. That will be 120. Your another side will become 17x. 17 into 10, that is 170. And your third side is 25x. That is 25 into 10, that is 250. Now, as I said you have to use your formula. And before using formula, you have to find the semi-perimeter. Because perimeter is given in the problem, it will be very easy. Just you have to divide by 2 and you will get your answer of semi-perimeter. Put the value of semi-perimeter and the sides into this formula and get your exact answer. Can you do that? Let's start with next. An isosceles triangle has a perimeter 30. So I am making this isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal. Its perimeter is given as 30 and the equal sides measurement is given as 12. So can I keep the third side as x? Can I write 12 plus x is equal to 30? From there, I will get the value of x as 6 centimeter. Once you got the value of x, that is the third side, you have to next step go for semi-perimeter. Once you get the semi-perimeter, your next step will be to put it into the Heron's formula. Yes, my dear kids. And Heron's formula we know very well. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Just put in the values and your answer will be ready.